fucking care.
If your edits are looking flat or washed out like this, trust me, this video is about to change everything. No plugins, no paid LUTs, just CapCut PC doing absolute madness. Today, I'm dropping 3 insane color grading tricks, and they work on any clip, anime, B-roll, nature, night shots, even skin tones. Everything pops, crisp, cinematic, next level, so grab your CapCut PC and let's get into it.
Ready your clip, then go to Effect. Then find the 90s effect. Then reduce sharpness and filter to 0, then make lateral and longitude both 51. Then create a comp and clip. Now go to Adjust, then implement the setting. Firstly, go to Adjust and apply the settings on the screen. Now go to Color Match, then add a color that fit the clips in for me, which is dark blue. A disclaimer: if you want to add a color, it must match a bit with TH clip.
I don't fucking care.
Firstly, go to Adjust and implement the settings. Then go to Filter, then look for Old Romance. Lastly, create a compound clip.
Thanks for watching. If you learned something today, hit that like button. More fire tutorial dropping soon, so don't sleep on that subscribe. Catch you in the next one.